Hey guys, it's Chelsea. Today I just wanted to teach you something quick and easy on BombBomb. Basically how to track your emails that are going out so you don't do what I did today and actually send out the same email 3 times. So I'm going to show you really quick. It's pretty simple, but I just didn't know the program well enough to know exactly how it's tracked, because as you see right here, when you log into your BombBomb account, it's going to take you to the dashboard. And this is really great with BombBomb and any CRM system, is that it actually tracks how many times like each of your emails are opened. And that also helps you, like if you're sending these emails out, let's just say you're like touching base with a lot of your clients. This isn't really what I'm wanted to talk to you guys about today, but I just want to play off of this really cool application on here. So if you see how many times it something was open, and then you go in here and you see who opened it, you can kind of get an idea, and like how many times that person opened it, you get an idea of people who you're like, whose mind you're on. So if you can see that the same person keeps opening your email, you might even just do like a past client call and just say, hey, I just want to touch base and see how you guys were doing. How are things going? And it can be like another one of those where you're reaching out for a referral or review. But also at the same time, you can, obviously they keep opening your video. It could be a number of things. It could just like the video. They could be a stalker. I don't know. Or they could just really have something on their mind of something you're talking about. So anyways, if you can kind of track those things in here, it's almost like it does the research for you. So it's really cool. So anyways, as far as being able to track the emails you're sending out, right here it says tracking feed. Well, last night I queued it up in my email to send you guys an email at a certain time this morning at 6:30 a.m. I try to get to you like while you're checking your email first thing. Well, anyway, so I looked through here and I was looking and I was like, here we got some from 2 weeks ago. And then this was 1 day ago. This was just one that I had sent to myself. You guys can see where it'll have, let me see here, track right there. If it'll let me look in here. And it says one individual, which was me, and one that was open. So I knew that that wasn't the one that I had sent to you guys. And then also there was another one that I sent that was actually an individual one that I sent myself this morning, because I didn't see right here where the email to all of our teams went out. So that was frustrating. So anyways, so I went up to emails, of course, and I thought, well, it's probably somewhere right here, like sent emails. I don't see it. And bam, in sending history right there, that's where you find out where you sent them. And so anyways, if you look right here, it'll tell you, track all the information on it. I think this was like the second one of the 3 that I sent out, and this was the first. And so it said like 79% of people opened it. 11 out of 14 people opened my email. So that's not too bad. So anyway, so you just go in here and it tracks all the data for you, and it's really neat. I think it probably even tells you who opened it and how far they got through it. We see 1 play out of 6 opens, 6 opens out of 14 sends. So anyways, it just gives you all this really great information. And look, it does say like who played it and who actually opened the email. So anyways, just keep that in mind, that is in there for you guys to be able to track your emails that are sent out through BombBomb. And then also one really cool thing is that since it stores your videos in here and your emails, is that say you forgot somebody, or you're like, that video is so good, I want to send that again, is that you can go in here and just go to send, and it brings up all the same information. And then you, once the, like say like it's like at night when you remember it, like I need to send this to them, but like I'm not sending somebody a video at midnight, like I do so many times when I want to send you guys stuff. So I'm going to schedule it to go out at a certain time in the morning. So let's just say I'm going to send it to myself so that nobody gets this video for a 3rd time. I mean a 4th time. So anyway, so I want to send it to Chelsea in the morning, and I want to schedule it for, let's say 6:30 a.m. And then you can see down here where it's on Central Daylight Time. And so you just go right here to send, and it's going to set it up to send it at 6:30 a.m. the next day. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys some of those features on BombBomb, and just once again reiterate how user friendly it is, how it tracks everything for you, and even shows the minute details of who opened it, how many times they opened it, who actually watched the video, things of that nature. So it's just a really, really amazing tool that I hope you guys use in the near future. If you're not using it, please let me know why it is that you're not using it, what apprehensions you have, because I would love to help you guys break down those barriers to be able to get into the video marketing, because it is something that your competitors are using and that top producers are using, both in mortgage and in real estate. And so I just want you guys to be ahead of the game and be at the top. So anyways, just holler at me if you have any questions. But I just want to share that those tracking tools with you. And I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope it helps. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.